Hello gang, good to have y'all back once again. So, I was having a bit of a shite night, and Way, who's, buying for our light and lighter medium mech, guru, was saying that Cicada 3M, especially, the ECM, is going to be coming up in the meta. That his prediction, looking at the way things are going, it's going to become, in about a month or so, it's going to be the top scene, and we're going to be seeing a lot more of it. It's going to become more and more of a meta mech. I checked my inventory, and I had one, but I'd never fielded it. I'd never dropped in the thing. So, I kitted it out, prepped her up, spent general skill points to completely skill her out, and took her in for some drops. Found a couple ways I didn't think of that needed to be tweaked. That Way was like, why didn't you do that in the first place? Makes sense. So, a little bit of a difference between the first match and the later matches. Hope you enjoy.
Crazy shit.
It's pretty cool stuff. I've loved that stuff since I was a kid.
Me, I just want to go hang out in the Van Allen belt and get a suntan, man.
I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to leave the planet. I'm just very interested in what's going on out
Target
there.
acquired.
If they turn around and they actually turn around and they said, all right, you can go to Mars, but you got to die there, I'll do
Are
it.
you guys gonna hang out?
Yeah,
I'll do
well,
it.
that's what's going to happen to the first team that goes. Mark my words. I mean, I don't want them to, but it's going to happen.
New target
I'd rather be
acquired.
the first to die on the planet. That sounds fucking
It's okay to
amazing.
hang out and see that one.
Supposed to be in the last.
That sounds amazing too. Either way, you're going to be remembered. No, you're not going to be remembered if you're the last.
There's a few movies like that. People in the last ones.
Yeah, but the movie's always about the fact they're not.
New target acquired.
Nice burn on him.
Getting angles over there.
I got nothing.
I would get him soon.
Like a series called The Last Man on Earth, and the fucking series about the fact he's not. I Am Legend, dude's got a dog, and he meets a lady and a dog.
Yeah, there's a few. They're good movies.
Now I've got
Damn,
the range
you
to
that
be out here
fast?
further.
Artillery strike online. Airstrike online.
Go in front, whoever's shooting me. Shooting me.
Target destroyed. New target acquired.
You got a catapult right under you.
Whoops, is that friendly? I think it's friendly. Shit.
Artillery strike online. Airstrike online. New target acquired. Target destroyed.
Target spotted.
Artillery strike activated. New target acquired. Heat level critical. Airstrike online.
Someone please push this fucking Hellbringer.
On it.
He's trading, but he's not winning, but he's
Target
winning.
spotted.
Ah, down.
And that Viper Lance hurt.
Coming in to back up, Charlie.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
New target acquired. Heat level critical.
I think the spider's intending to come out after me. Whoops. I think I just shot up him again.
Target acquired.
Goodbye.
Bye, Wookie.
New target acquired.
They're all just sitting there. It's a good night, man. That's why.
Bakey, your 72-hour review will be over at 5:40 in the morning.
All right.
Heat level critical.
Hotshot, yours will be over at 6:55.
New target acquired.
I don't know if I'll be able to do it then, but it will be posted tomorrow morning.
Target destroyed. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
New target acquired. Heat level
Oh,
critical.
we didn't hear from Gardanis tonight. Anybody hear from him? How's he doing?
Heat level critical.
Bad time to talk. I'm the
New
first one to
target
die.
acquired.
Target spotted.
I just realized how low on ammo I was. Or has it
You're
right
always
now?
low on ammo.
I should have
Damn.
spilled. Been busy.
Oh, an extra ton on there.
There's no
Why do you
room.
keep doing that? Well, drop some armor.
Oh, I've already done that.
Ooh, that doesn't bode well for 42. They can't carry against us.
Hmm.
UAV activated. Target acquired. Target destroyed. New target acquired.
Just the
Owens,
spider left.
I think I like the grasshopper
me.
better than the Black Knight.
It's just the jump jets. Is that it?
I have
It's
one
the
round
jump
left and it's
jets.
for my destroyed gun.
I
Get
play
on me.
better with the jump jets.
Figured that would come in back. There are some players that aren't affected by the jump jets, and there's some players that really rely on them. So
So I don't know what that does for your drop calculator, but that's
exactly the same.
they're the same weight. Okay.
No, they're actually less.
Dang it.
They're five tons less. So it allows
That gives some tonnage to somebody else, I think.
I was playing around with the Battle Master,
Enemy
and I was
base is being
thinking if we're going to take
captured.
LIDF, we might be better off taking the Battle Master than the Charger. But
And I think the charger for like the 4...
roll and the LRDF roll.
well, here's the thing:
Get me pulsators on the charger.
Enemy base is
Yeah,
being
but-
captured.
4 ER large, 4 medium lasers on the Battle Master works really well, and it moves 10 kph faster, which means you'll get to the hill before theirs do.
Sure.
But you're moving at almost 80 in the Battle Master, and it only costs an extra 10 tons. 5 tons over the Charger, and if we're taking Grasshoppers, we only have 5 tons to play with.
Heat level critical.
They have much higher mounts as well. Much higher mounts.
Spider's over by me.
Yep,
Point
I'm
is-
chasing.
He's going into the... I see him.
Enemy base
I gotta head out. I'll see you guys later.
See him.
How about ya?
Point is, if you need me in a heavy for that drop, I would rather
Just watch
drop in
this
the
fight.
grasshopper.
Yeah, it's always the option anyway, but I like the Black Knight. Most
override
people like
shut
the
down.
Grasshopper.
Shoot,
Well,
there's
that was
some
my
lag,
last
whatever.
drop for the night too, guys. That was my last drop for the night too,
Alright,
guys.
see you, Doc.
Does anybody have anything for me before I go?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, like I said, 0500, no cigarette through baking hot shot. We'll see you all in the morning.
Yeah. Alright, see ya.
Enemy base is being captured.
We can probably consolidate groups a little bit. I know Bon and Owen's group has room for 2. Owens, I'm gonna grab something to drink. I'll be back in a sec.
Don't be aggressive.
Good night, guys.
Night.
Don't listen to him.
Good night.
Just get the shots out.
Enemy base is being captured.
Are you chain firing? If you need me, use me as cover. Use me as cover.
I got him.
He's aiming at me anyways right now.
Critical. Center torso. Critical damage. Override shut down.
Make sure you don't die.
Enemy base
Yeah, no,
is
no, I
being
need to.
captured.
Uh-oh.
He's like,
That's what I was
though.
telling you to use it earlier.
I thought I had him.
No, you didn't. You weren't really winning that trade, if being honest.
Enemy base is being captured.
I guess it's time to do this again.
Enemy base is being captured.
There he is. You need to discover.
I'm a one-touch CT.
Alright, let's just bait out the shot then.
Enemy
Don't.
base
So
is being
your CT
captured.
nearly got him capped.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm on cap with you.
Yep. Yeah, that should be
Oh,
it.
a little bit wide, but there he is.
Game.
Oh, you guys won. Nice. Good game, everyone.
Who's our third mech? Do we have a third mech?
We did. It was Commando. He got it.
You got what?
He killed the Commando.
It was a linebacker who was AFK apparently.
I'm back.
So there's still a possibility of us winning even with us both dying. Or, because we had the cap, right? Yeah. Wouldn't that be something? If an AFK won this game. I'm just gonna hold the front line, I think.
I'm running for the stain. but
Gamma,
I'm not
this
gonna
is
want to
the-
stay in there.
So Gamma, this is like an LRDF spot. For sure. Long
What'd you
range
say?
direct fire.
Uh,
This is a long range spot. You're what, close range build? Or near it?
Yeah, about medium
I
range.
probably just want to be with the team then.
Artillery
Looks like it's
strike
gonna be a close
online.
range fight.
Airstrike online.
See if I can make my second drop anywhere near as good as the first.
I don't think anything's even close to being in range of each other, which is kind of funny.
Not seeing anything.
You definitely want to use cover a lot more there.
I've got my toe in here, so if you want to back up, you can. Thank you. I played enough fights to know what it's like. Well, I mean, I'm in a kit, but still, it's nice.
Target spotted. Say guys, we don't have to run to the middle.
Looks like they might try pushing around the LA area. I'm not sure.
Target
Back on
acquired.
L8. Way back on the back wall.
Heat level critical.
Watching the 9 line.
Target spotted.
Nothing's in range for me. I'm about to push around.
I'll get in position to watch the L line.
Airstrike online. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
Ooh. He got it.
I'm gonna get shots on Supernova. I could look exposed to it, but I think everybody else is exposed enough. It should be fine.
Artillery strike.
Phoenix Hawk poking, but nothing
Airstrike
else. Target
online.
spotted. Yeah, there's a bunch
King
of
Crab Echo, though.
away.
Yep. It's probably our focus.
Light beam skis, much
Dang it.
better.
Nothing but CT.
Target spotted.
King Crab's got a leg open.
Alright.
King Crab's got a leg.
Artillery strike online. Airstrike online.
Target spotted.
Oh, he's on our range.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Delta and Juliet 8's poking on the L a little bit.
Target spotted.
Foxtrot's a crab. Crab and Phoenix Hawk are poking a little bit in the L line, but nothing serious.
Yeah, I mean, you might want to go down left side. That's where the brawl's going to be.
Watch out.
Like left side of this hill with K9.
Target
Kind of
spotted.
around push right now. Don't shoot your back too much though. To enemies.
Target spotted.
Target acquired.
Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Woo!
Ground, are you getting mines?
Target spotted.
Yes!
Good.
New target acquired.
Target
Yeah,
spotted.
I want to kill
They
assist.
start pushing up the L line a little bit. It's Marauder, Crab, and Phoenix Hawk. You pushed them back.
I think the technical term here is gentlemen, start
Target
your
spotted.
engines.
Target spotted.
Supernova's narked.
Target
Delta.
spotted.
He doesn't have any cover either. You can
Alright, let me push around this and just take your shots around me. Which is over there.
Target spotted.
No, I couldn't tell what was over there. I gotta get used to this.
Let me take the
Push the
lead.
talk.
Let me take the lead, Gamma.
Kill confirmed.
Just go beside me. To my left.
Target spotted.
New
Cover my
target
top if you can as well.
acquired.
That's gonna be really aggressive.
Airstrike
I think it's
activated.
worth it though.
New target
There's one coming out of the
acquired.
lane.
Target spotted.
We have two assaults about on our team about to turn the corner on L8. I'm backing him up.
Artillery strike online.
Target spotted.
Got 3 mechs coming around.
Target
Yep, we're
destroyed.
baiting them in. Bait them in, bait them in.
Target spotted.
Just guard up, I tried.
Target spotted.
Got some of them.
Target acquired.
CT on the wall or golf.
Got him.
I'm pushing around wide from you guys.
Alright,
Target
just keep baiting them in.
spotted.
Don't push past this point. L8.
Heat level critical.
That's what we got support. Looks like we do now. Looks like we should be fine to push around.
Target spotted.
Please keep
Heat
poking.
level critical. Override shutdown. Target acquired.
Quite have the angle yet.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Oh, God. Watch that very top right.
Target spotted.
Alright, I am.
Target spot. Target spotted.
Target destroyed. New target acquired.
CT's open on Charlie.
Target
Artillery
spotted.
strike online.
Target
Heat
spotted.
level critical.
And Lima.
New target
Thanks for the rain on
acquired.
you.
Heat level critical.
Let's move it in.
New target
Target
acquired.
spotted.
Last two on cleanup.
Did you kill the shadow
Artillery
home? I guess you did.
strike online.
I think we did. Not really sure.
New target acquired.
Target spotted.
There's snarks both left.
Keep it up.
Let's see if I can find this clip face.
Target destroyed.
Command is happy to hear of your
Good game.
success and achievements on the surface.
Let's see how my actual damage looks. I only did 300?
Laser Cicada go pew.
Dang it, I only did 300.
I think you're suffering from damage drop off.
Oh, definitely.
You got to kill them.
I am probably going to go wide.
Should have everybody covered there. Oh yeah, Gamma, I'm running the build, you're running to run. You get the C-bills.
The Shadowhawk laser?
No.
PPC.
Your ultimate goal, the Blood Asp.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It also takes like, I don't know, 20 million credits to stuff it and buy if it's not on sale. I think it's like 18 million default or 16 million, something like that.
Yeah, that might be a little low.
You'll get there. Especially if you still have like get that bonuses in your favor. Huh? Do you?
Well, right now I got premium. I got a premium from the event, that 7-day premium deal, and then I got another 7 days from a supply cache.
Okay.
Nice.
That's nice. Supply
I've
cache is
never
actually
seen-
useful.
I've never seen one of the supply cache.
I haven't either.
I got
It's a
one.
cadet-
supply
it's a cadet-
cache
it's a cadet
last
supply.
week. No, I got one.
Yeah,
7 day
yeah. It was
in
it
a
was a
supply
cadet.
supply
It was
cache
like-
last week. Yeah.
Don't split.
Activated.
To pull 7 days premium time, it either has to be a cadet supply cache, or it needs to be a purple one, or it needs to be a Solaris. You won't get it from a common. Or an uncommon.
Assaults D3.
Didn't say that. I just said I got one from the supply
Yeah, we're splitting up
cache.
way too much here.
Shit.
Not taking two either.
Where you expect to get them.
Warning, incoming missile.
Don't go in the middle with me, Gamma.
Got it.
You need to
Grunt, are
be
you
in a fight.
getting pushed over there?
I got 2 assaults.
Yeah, we're getting
2
pushed.
assaults chasing me. Out in Delta 2.
Let me see if I can come harass them a little.
New
like we
target
have one above.
acquired.
Alpha up high.
Where'd they go?
Delta 3, I think.
New target acquired. Artillery strike online. Airstrike
I think we can push through middle. Delta 5 maybe.
Target
I think
spotted.
that's what we're going to do here. Need to push out though, one way or another. That's where they all are, aren't they?
Yeah, they're trying to flank around too.
Target
New
spotted.
target acquired. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
How are you holding on the backside?
New target
doing?
acquired.
They're all.
Alright, they come down. So they are.
Left in the middle, you better engage that flank quickly.
Target spotted.
Artillery strike online.
Move to get around.
Airstrike
Target spotted.
online.
We push out one way or
Yeah,
another.
I'm eating it right now. They're
Alright.
Target spotted.
Artillery strike online.
He was losing it for us.
Ah, what a UAV.
New target acquired.
Target spotted.
New target acquired.
I'm gonna go help push up front.
Definitely found my new UAV spot for
New
Crimson.
target acquired. Artillery strike online.
Target spotted.
Airstrike online. New target acquired. Heat level critical. Target destroyed. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
Flanking alone, guard Denison will be just, yeah.
New target acquired. Heat level
Oh, they'll be
critical.
pushing out.
Don't push too
pushing
far
up behind
Need
us.
assistance.
New
Alright.
target acquired.
I'll take care of them.
Heat
Oh, they are there.
level critical.
No, you take care of front.
Oh.
Cool asp.
Need assistance.
Warning, incoming missile. Heat level critical. New target acquired.
Looks like he hooked himself. It's a bone torso.
Darn it.
Artillery strike.
Nice job pushing around.
Spotted.
Airstrike.
That guy. You're gonna eat. They're gonna eat eventually. That was good job though.
Target acquired.
I see his smoke.
Target destroyed.
See his smoke around Delta 5.
New target acquired.
Target
Heavy
spotted.
damage spec.
New target acquired.
We'll say it better than...
Heat level critical.
Or missiles.
Heat level critical.
top, probably.
Ooh, what a comeback.
Target
Target
acquired.
spotted.
Guys, drop me if you need to. I gotta take about a 3-minute break, bio break.
Heat level critical.
Target spotted.
Heat level critical.
Probably shouldn't bother with that, but he's going this way.
Oh, I only have 51
Target
rounds left.
spotted.
Just realized.
New target acquired.
Need assistance.
I'm gonna cut him
Don't
off. I go
miss.
for.
On the ramp.
Oh. Which ramp? Which ramp is he at? Oh, I see.
The fresh ebon up here.
Heat level critical.
They keep killing themselves through overheat.
I keep popping torsos with these machine guns, and then the torso heat spike kills them.
know.
That was a recovery.
I had something happen to them, so.
Did I have a
Other
decent
side.
match? It's okay. Up arrow.
I suppose that should go show what this build can do. There, gamma.
Damn, hot shot.
Hey, good game there, Cam.